In this video, we're going to break down all of the training available to agents who join eXp. We're going to break down the different types of training, really how much training they really have. It can sometimes be too much, it feels like. And we're really going to walk through it all. But first off, this is one video, a part of a series. So if you have other questions or concerns or thoughts about eXp, make sure you click the link in the description where you find the playlist where I go through almost every aspect of the eXp Realty model. You can also find links to contact me if you have questions specifically for me about eXp or you're interested in actually joining. So what different trainings are available to agents? One of the beautiful parts about being an online company is that training isn't just in your local area. You are learning from people across the country and across the globe. And so the training is plentiful at eXp. First off, you'll find that eXp Realty has 60 plus hours of live training inside of their eXp world, which is essentially their virtual training platform. So 60 plus hours of training. Now this can be everything from social media to lead gen to how to build your business to how to time block. And what's really nice about the training is these training sessions are put on by icon agents, so some of the top agents in our company who have had success. This isn't just anyone who's teaching the course. It's really people who have proven themselves in the business and are willing to share their secrets, whether it's through, again, YouTube or generating leads through Instagram or building a team or time blocking. So 60 plus hours of education, and that number might even be higher now, of education online available to you at any point in time. What's also nice is that eXp Realty has gone and recorded a bunch of their previous classes. So there's literally a library available to you of pre-recorded sessions that you can go back and you can watch. What I love about this is one trick is you can go back and rewatch it at 2x speed with a nice Google Chrome plugin, and you can really amp up how much you learn. So the live training available to you is plentiful. The second piece of eXp training happens to come if you are a brand new agent. So I know there's a lot of brand new agents who are concerned about the training available to them at eXp because it's an online company. Well, eXp Realty has a mentor program available to you where they actually force you to join it. So your first 3 deals, you're assigned a mentor. That mentor is there to help you, show you how to open up lockboxes, show you how to do open houses, talk you through the contract. They're available if you have questions and you're writing up a deal or you need to make an offer or you have questions about how to deal with clients. Your mentor is there for you in your first 3 deals on top of your state brokerage team. And that really leads us to the third level of training. So we talked about the live training that's available about building your business and lead gen and all that stuff. Each state and province in the US or in North America has a weekly meeting put on by their brokerage team. And so I'm here in Arizona. What I love about these meetings are these are state specific meetings. The brokers go over changes to the contract, common questions that they get. They go through the contract and best practices. And this is really a time where you can hone your skills on making the right offers, making sure you understand the language, really focusing on the craft of actually serving your clients in your local state. So contracts, updates, local laws, all of this is covered in your local state or province meeting, depending on where you're at in the country. And this is a fantastic tool for all agents who plug into it. The next piece of training happens to be a tool that eXp Realty provides. eXp Realty provides Workplace to every single agent. And Workplace is really kind of like Facebook for work. So all 70,000 plus agents have a Workplace account and they can hang out and mastermind online all day long. So you'll find literally hundreds of groups covering everything from new agent questions, which is a group that I run, lead gen, Facebook advertising, YouTube, cryptocurrency, Airbnbs. There's literally a group for everything, and you'll see that agents are constantly helping each other out. So this is another way that, again, collaboration is really high at eXp, but it's another level of training and just rubbing shoulders with people who are doing what you want to do. And it's really easy for all agents to plug into. The last piece, right? So there's a ton here, but the last piece is depending on who you join at eXp, so who you name as your sponsor, there's a good chance that your sponsor has some specific training for you as well. Again, we've talked about in other videos the revenue share piece, because eXp has revenue share, whoever sponsors you to eXp has a vested interest in your success. And so, for example, anyone who joins me at eXp gets to attend all of my trainings for free, which I put on a couple times a month. We talk about everything from Google My Business to Instagram to Facebook to doing YouTube videos and my recorded library. So depending on who you join at eXp, you're going to have an additional personalized training from whoever your sponsor is, depending on what that looks like. So if you have any questions about eXp, make sure you go in the description, click and find the playlist, watch some of my other videos about eXp, but don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have specific questions that you feel like I can answer. There's also a link down below if you want to learn about my team and the training that I do for people who join me at eXp. As always, I hope you enjoyed this content. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll catch you on the next one.